Today, Plaid Cymru is calling again for powers over management of the Crown Estate and its assets to be devolved to Wales. Having these powers, including control over our seabed, gives us much control over our natural assets, helps us reach our net zero targets, and gives us a major economic boost. Now, we have the skills and the expertise to make the most of our natural assets. Consider the Prince Madog research vessel at Bangor University, based in my constituency, Ynys Môn. It has all the kit needed to map and monitor the chemistry, the biology, the geology, the physics of our seabed, helping us make the most of our resources.
Well, we've got the capacity on the ship, obviously, to go out and look at the offshore environment in a massive amount of detail, whether that be mapping the seabed, understanding what it's made of and the physical processes that operate within it. So we've got that capacity, but we've also got fantastic capacity to look at the nearshore environment, those difficult to access areas. So using a small boat with portable kit, particularly portable multi-beam systems that can get into the estuaries and around islands and inlets and things like that, and even reservoirs. We've got that capacity to look at every sort of aspect or element of type of water course that we have in Wales. We need to understand the kind of shape and form and the processes that operate in those environments so we can really understand better how to manage them and also exploit them in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to benefit Wales.
So it's vitally important to me that we have the powers and that we're able to make the most of the finances that come from the control over the Crown Estate. I don't want that disappearing out of Wales to the Treasury, to the monarch. So let's make sure that we keep on pressing for devolution of the Crown Estate. These are our assets. I want to be able to make the most of them.